you will draw like this and it is 30 degree. No, you will not get marks. So what is to do? You must draw an angle of 30 degree, and this is perpendicular sine is to be given here. So I am going to show you the first math as by maintaining the rules, okay, and which will be applicable for other maths. But for other maths, I will not go to write down in details, which I am going to write down for question number 10 as the first math of this exercise. So I can write it, you see, let write down in this way, A be the top of a minar and B be the foot of the minar. Okay, what I have mentioned here, angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. What else is given in the question? Okay, we have to see. The height is given as by 26 meter. Very good. It is 26 meter. So you write down, it is 26 meter. 26 meter. Now you see here, or we can write down here, angle ACB equals to 30 degree. AB is equal to 26 meter. Okay. Now you have to write down, please don't forget to write this statement that I am going to write down now. In the right angled triangle ABC. Okay, what is to find in this question? We have to find the length of BC. Okay, it is told, then find the distance of the plane from the minar. That means this is to find in this question. Okay, so perpendicular is given, we have to find the base. So we have come to know the 6 trigonometric ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, then cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. So cot theta or tan theta can be applied here, but tan theta is known to us. Very good. We let it x meter. We let it x meter. Now, if we come to know the value of x, then we are done. So we can write down tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Base is BC. Now, what is the value of tan 30 degree? You know, this is 1 by root over 3, tan 30 degree. What's the length of AB is 26 meter. BC is x meter. So meter will be omitted. That is, we have got x equals to 26 root over 3. Now please calculate it. 26 into root 3 equals to what? Calculate. 26 into root over 3.
45.033.
45.0. 45.0. Okay, it will do approximately. Okay. Then you have to write down, therefore, or you can write down as 45.0 33 meter. Now you are going to write down meter, but not here. Approximately. Talk to me, all of you. Yes, we are right to write down up to 3 dp. So maths are really very, very easy. Going to question number 11. Now question number 11. It is told if the top of a tree is 20 meters distance from the foot on the ground, okay, at any point on the ground, and the angle of elevation is 60 degree, find the height of the tree. Can you please let me know what is given here? It is 60 degrees given, right? Okay, then what else is given here? Top of a tree is 20 meter, okay? Top of a tree is 20 meter distance from the foot on the ground at any point on the ground, okay? At any point, suppose it is the foot of the tree. Suppose this is a tree. It is a foot of the tree. Any point, suppose I have taken any point. It is 20 meter. And this point is, I mean, here, so that the angle is 60 degree. Now the question is, what is the height? But the students become very confused. This is height or this is base. Please try to understand. The students become confused. This 20 meter is base or height. Remember one thing, it is given or it is told in the question to find out the length of the height of the tree. Okay, we are required to determine the height of the tree. So definitely this 20 meter is not the height, number one. Number two, is it base? It is not base because in the question it is told from the top and any point at the ground, on the ground. This is the top and any point, this is any point. So this is 20 meter. I think you have got me right. If you fail to understand, you are requested by me to talk to me. It is 20 meter. Okay, and this is height 8 meter. Now just let me know, we have to find the hypotenuse here. What is given? Perpendicular. So which trigonometric ratio is being dealt by us regarding hypotenuse and perpendicular? Let me know. Talk to me. Sine
Sine
60 equals to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? Now, what is the value of sine 60? Is root 3 by 2. What is AB? We don't know. What is AC? 20. This meter, H meter, here a 20 meter will be omitted. So we are getting root 3 by root 3 is equal to H by 10. That means A is equal to 10 root 3. 10 root 3 means what? Root 3 equals to 1.7320. 1.7320, that is 1.7320 approximately. Therefore, the required height is 17.32. There will be 0 meter approximately. Can you please talk to me? If you fail to understand anywhere, you are required to knock me. But in the answer, we have 34.641. Hello. Hello. According to the question, we are right, but though we really don't have the answer. In the Bangla medium book, it is written clearly where this 20 meter is to be considered as the base. If we consider this 20 meter as the base, then our answer will be okay. But according to English version book, it is absolutely okay. I think you have got me. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Going to question number 12. Now question number 12. Forming 45-degree angle with the ground, an 18-meter long ladder touches the top of the wall. Very good. Suppose it is a wall. It is a wall. Okay. Then a 20-meter long, this is 20-meter long ladder. Okay. Have you thought the situation? Normally the ladder are used like this. This is a wall. What's told here is 45 degree with the ground. This is 45 degree. 45 degree. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now we have to find the height of the wall. So which formula is to be used here? We have to find this. We are given the hypotenuse. We have to find the perpendicular. So formula is sine theta, right? So sine 45 degree is equal to AB by AC. Very good. So we can consider AB as, we can consider it H meter. Okay. So we are getting 1 by root over 2 is equal to AB. We don't know H meter, AC 20 meter. Meter will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. That is root over 2H is equal to 20. So H is equal to 20 by root over 2. Now use the calculator. 20 divided by root 2.
10 root 2.
Wait.
14.1421.
Just wait. 36 point, oh sorry, 20 is 20. Okay, 28.2842, right? Or 20 divided, I am extremely sorry again. 20 divided 14.1421. That is, we are getting 14.142.
Sir, are you doing the 12 number math?
Yes.
Sir, in the question it's 18 meter.
Answer. Oh, we have
No,
taken
sir.
20, we have taken 20 meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not a matter. You consider it as
Okay,
not 20 meter. Okay, not a matter. Is it okay? So you have got it. Now, suppose it is given 18 meter. Suppose it is 18 meter. Then what will you do? Write down 18 meter. Write down 18 meter. Write down 18 meter. Now let me know the answer. 18 by root over 2. 18 by, we are getting 12.7279. 12.728 approximately. Okay, is it okay? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 13. In question number 13, you see Read the question at first. If the angle of depression, okay, angle of depression, suppose it is A, it is B, it is C. Angle of depression, then you must draw an imaginary line parallel to the base. When this is the question of angle of depression, we are required to draw an imaginary line which is parallel to the base. This is known here as the angle of depression, and it is given in the question as by 30 degree. This is 30 degree, right? And you name it as by E. Then $20 from the top of the house, you have to find this height. AB is equal to H meter. Now, what is to find? Can you please let me know? You have to find the height. Now, what is given 20 meter? Angle of depression at a point on the ground, 20 meter from the top of the house. 20 meter from the top of the house. This is the top. Then it is 20 meter. Talk to me. Okay. Now, you see angle ACB is equal to angle DAC. Why they are equal? Alternate angle.
Alternate angle.
Alternate angles are equal. Why they are alternate angles? Because these and these are parallel. It is 90 degree, it is 90 degrees. So these and these are parallel. Okay. So what is the value of angle DAC? DAC is 30 degree. That means we are getting angle ACB is 30 degree. Okay. Now we can write down sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is the value of sine 30 is half AB. What is AC? 20. So from here we can get AC equals to 10. Therefore height of the house is 10 meter. Okay. Height of the house is 10 meter. Is it okay to all? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then question number 14. Actually, we are getting harder maths for the time being. Question number 14 important. From 14, all the maths are very, very important to be given in the examination. The angle of elevation of a tower at any point on the ground is 60 degree. Okay, you see, all of you are required to see. This is a tower. Okay, suppose this is 60 degree. This is what? 60 degree. Okay, it is A, it is B, it is C. It is given 60 degree. Very good. Now it is told again, if moved back 25 meter. Back means what? It is forward. So what is back? Back is here. I mean, this is the tower. This is the tower. From this point, back means in this direction. And if it was told forward, then it would be in this direction. From this point, forward direction is this. And from this point, backward direction is this. I think you have got me right. So it is told in the question, if 25 meters is moved in the backward direction, that means it is 25 meter. Have you got me? And it is the point D. Then the angle thus formed here is what? 30 degree. Talk to me. This is 25 meter. This is 25 meter. Okay. Now we let this is x meter. This is x meter. Which one is x meter? From here to there. This is x meter. Okay. I think you have got the question. I repeat. Suppose this, it is 60 degree. It is told this is a tower. From this point, if 25 meters moved in the backward direction means in this direction. If it was told forward, then we have to come in this direction. I think you have got it. Okay, then if it is 25 meter, then at this point, the angle of elevation will be 30 degree. Okay, now we have to find the height of the tower. Okay, this is the most important question. I will do one math, but showing you this one math, I will do all maths. So this is the tower, and you let it as by x meter. You write down this is x meter. Okay, very good. Okay, so pay attention. All of you are required to pay 100% attention here. What will we do? We will just write down tan 60 degree. Let me know. Tan 60 degree equals to what? AB by BC. Is it? And what is the value of tan 60 degree? As we all know, it is root over 3. AB equals to what? Is, and BC equals to x. So we are getting root over 3x. And it is as by equation 1. Okay? Are you getting me? Then let's write down tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. It is what? AB. When this is the angle, then our base is top to bottom BD. BD our base. Okay, BD. Suppose it is not given, then base is BD. That means tan 30 means what? 1 by root over 3. What is AB? And what is BD? BD here has been divided into two segments, BC and CD. BC is X and CD is 25. Have you seen? BD means what? X plus 25. Now we can write down here root over 3x is equal to x plus 25. Now you have seen that the value of x is given here root 3x. There is a relation between height and x. So we can put the value. What is h? H equals to what? Root over 3x. Root over 3x, please. Okay. That is x plus 25. Side note can be given from 1. From 1. I have given a side note from 1. So we are getting here, you see the calculation. This is root 3 is equals to 3x. 3x, this is x in the right hand side, can be taken in the left hand side, is equal to 25. That means twice x is equal to what? 25. So as to get x equals to what? 12.5. Dear students, we have to find the height of the, it is what? Tower. So what is the height of the tower? 8 meter. So this is 8 meter, okay? So from 1 we get 1 implies that a is equals to root over 3x. Value of x is what? 12.5 into 12.5. Use the calculator, please.
21.65.
Then something else. 21.65, then 1 or 2,
Sir, 0.
then 5.
6. 21.6506.
This is 1. Okay, approximately. Talk to me. If you fail to understand, please talk to me, because all the maths will be of this type. No, there is no other math which won't be done other than this style. Okay. So if you talk to me, then I'll be happy. I mean, if you don't understand this. Okay. Question number 15. You see, this is question number 15. The angle of elevation of a tower becomes 60 degree from 45 degree, moving 60 meter towards the minute. What is given here, you see, please. Suppose it is a minute. Okay. It is told that this is an angle 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. It is told it becomes 45 degree. It becomes 45 degree. Okay, it becomes 45 degree. If we move, it is 45 degree. If we move 60 meter. Talk to me. That means this is 60 meter. Okay. So like the previous math, we can write down this part is x meter. This part is x meter, like this. Write down. So it is AB. Write down it is C.
Sir, can you please repeat this part again?
Okay. Very good. Suppose this is a minute and an angle of elevation is here given as by 60 degree. Okay. It is told that if we move 60 meter, then the angle will be 45 degree. So 45 degree angle, what? It will be in this direction. Okay. If it comes in this direction, then angle will be 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 45 degree means what? It is a backward direction. So it will be 45 degree here. If it is 60 meter, then angle here thus formed will be 45 degree. Have you got me? So like the previous math, we have taken it is x meter, and this is given 60 meter, and this is x meter. Okay. Have got it? So we can write it. It is x meter. Like the previous math, you carry on. Tan 60 degree equals to what? Like the previous math, tan 60 degree equals to what? I told you that all the maths will be done by me in the same formula. I mean, maintaining the same get up. AB by BC. What's over tan 60? It is root over 3. AB equals to is and BC equals to x. That means this is root over 3 x equation 1. You see the question number 14. I did the same. Now you write down tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. What's our tan 45 degree? Same thing. Perpendicular by base. Here base is BD. Very good. And value of tan 45 degree is 1. What is AB? This, and BD equals to what? BD. BD equals to what? X plus 60, right? So we are getting a is equals to x plus 60. Okay. Now put the value a is equals to what? Root over 3x. Root over 3x minus x equals to 60. Now you take x common. Okay. If I take x as common, then we are left with x root 3 minus 1 is equal to 60. That means x equals to 60 divided by root 3 minus 1. Use the calculator. Or you just keep it like this. This is the value of x, not a matter. Now, you put this value in equation 1. So write down, after that you write down, from 1 implies that a is equals to what? Root over 3x. X is 60 by root over 3 minus 1. Use the calculator. 141.
9615.
Okay, approximately. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very important math. Okay. Now, is it done? Yes, it is done. Now you see, I'm going to do another most important math. Okay. Have you ever heard the math of helicopter? Right? Hello, helicopter. Have you ever heard this type of math in your life? Actually,
Yes,
so,
sir.
okay, this math is to be done now. Very important. Suppose you see, this is a point O. Is it? And the helicopter is here. Suppose it is height from the ground 8 meter, at a height of 8 meter from the ground. Okay, and helicopter is in this position, so that you see 2 kilometer post, consecutive 2 kilometer post, consecutive 2 kilometer post. Suppose A is a top of the post and B is also top of the post, another kilometer post. What is kilometer post? Suppose you are coming to Dhaka from any district, Dhaka. So have you seen anywhere writing this part? Suppose Dhaka 77 kilometer. Then after 1 kilometer, you will see again Dhaka 76 kilometer. Suppose Dhaka is here. It is Dhaka. You are coming to Dhaka from any other district and you will see kilometer post, Dhaka 77 kilometer. Then you will see Dhaka 76 kilometer. So actually this is A and this is B. It is a kilometer post, it is another kilometer post. In the book it is written 2 kilometer posts. But interesting fact is that the distance between 2 kilometer posts is 1 kilometer. Have you got my point? Distance between 2 kilometer posts is 1 kilometer. Remember one thing, many students, what they do, they consider it as 2 kilometer. Not that, 2 kilometer posts, not the distance is 2 kilometer. Between 2 kilometer posts, we are differed by, or we are apart by only 1 kilometer. Okay? But if you consider it any 2 kilometer posts, suppose there is another kilometer posts, so it is also another post. If you consider the distance between these two posts, it may be. So for this, it should be written between 2 consecutive kilometer posts. Between 2 consecutive kilometer posts. Any 2 kilometer posts can be considered here, but remember one thing, don't do it. Though we have argument, okay, any 2 kilometer posts I can write down. Suppose there is a post, there is a post, there is a post, there are too many posts, okay. So any 2 kilometer posts, I have suppose I'm going to consider this and this, but distance between them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers, okay. Distance between these 2 kilometer posts is 5 kilometers. For this, it would be written in the question that between two consecutive kilometer posts, what I'm telling, consecutive, and its distance is 1 kilometer. It is 1 kilometer. It is 1 kilometer. Everywhere it is 1 kilometer. Okay, anyway. So O is the position of a helicopter, and it is at a distance of 8 meters from the ground. There are 2 kilometer posts. In this manner, you see, that is the angle of depression. You please see what I'm going to write down. The angle of depression. The angle of depression is, you see, this is the angle of depression, which is 60 degree. This is the angle of depression, which is 30 degree. Okay, please try to understand. And we can name it, it is A prime and it is B prime. The most important math that is given always in the exam. We name it, it is P. Okay, you see, these and these are parallel. So we can write it, angle OAP is equal to angle AOA prime, alternate angle. Alternate angles is equal to 60 degree. That means it is also 60 degree. I think you have got me right. We can write down angle OBP. Angle OBP is equal to angle BOB prime. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. Angle BOB prime. Here it is also alternate angles is equal to 30 degree. So we can write here it is also 30 degree. Okay. Here we are going to let OP is equal to 8 meter. We are going to write down AB is equal to 1 kilometer, means 1000 meter. 1 kilometer means what? 1000 meter. So if we let AP is equal to X meter, then we are getting BP is equal to 1000 minus X meter. So like the previous math, I told you that I will do every math in using the same formula. That is, we can write down tan 60 degree, you see. Tan 60 degree is equal to what? OP. OP by AP. So what is tan 60 degree? Root over 3. What is OP? What is AP? X. It is X meter. AP is X meter. You see AP is X meter. This is X meter. So we can write here is equals to root over 3x. And for the consecutive 3 mass, we are getting always this. Now, if we write down tan 30 degree is equals to what? This is OP and this is BP. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root over 3. What is OP? OP is X meter. BP is what? 1000 minus X. BP is 1000 minus X. This is 1000 minus X. 1000 minus X meter as a root here. Okay. So like the previous math, root over 3x is equal to what? 1000 minus X. Now from equation 1, you put the value here. we can write down here, or what is the value of x is root over 3x is equal to 1000 minus x. That is 3x plus x is equal to what? 1000, and x equals to 250. Okay. Now from 1 we can put the value height is equal to root over 3x 250. Can you use the calculator, please? Two 50 into root 3.
433.012.
013 should be there. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have got our answer. So this is the most important math to be given in the examination. But as the math will be given in the creative question, so what will be given, please, dear students, this will be of 2 marks. Figure with short description. It will be of 2 marks. And just to find it, this value, it will be of 4 marks. Then what is the other part? You have to find, question number C, you have to find what is the direct distance. OA equals to what? OB equals to what? You have to find this OA and OB. So you can find it, suppose you know this, okay, then by applying the Pythagoras theorem, you can find it, or by applying the trigonometric ratios formula, you can find it using sine 60. Okay, so is it possible for you to determine OA and OB? Talk to me. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
How you'll find? Suppose I am going to find, suppose OA, that is sine 60 degree is equal to what? OP by OA, without using Pythagoras formula theorem. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. What is OP? OP is what? A equals to what? 250 root 3. And OA, we have to find OA. So root 3 will be omitted. So we have got OA is equal to 500 meter. Have got me? Talk to me, please. Okay. Again, we can do the math like this. Sine 30 degree is equal to OP by OB. We have to find OB. That means sine 30 is half. OP 250 root 3 by OB. Then we can write down OB is equal to 500 root over 3. Now use the calculator to get it. Okay. Hello, everybody.
Sir, 866.025.
You are absolutely right. Okay. So this math will be given. Next day I will do a math on it is kilometer post. Okay. Is it helicopter? Then I will do a math of balloon and milestone. Okay. Then a river. Then pole, tree. Okay. I will do 1, 2. Sorry, this is one math. 1, 2, 3, 4 important maths with CQ question or the creative question. I will discuss it